Can you have a lawyer? Can you have an accountant? Can you have a professional service provider that listens to your concerns, understands what you are trying to accomplish, and just doesn't throw down your throat the way that they've seen it done 16 times this week and 1,000 times over their career? Of course you can. Is it harder as a practitioner to listen to the client and not just go with your gut reaction of, this is bad, this is good, and this doesn't conform with the way I've done it 15 times before? Of course it is. Of course it's more difficult. But it's the difference in trying to solve the problems for your client and working with your client and working together as a unit, as, trying to get to the same goal versus, sitting in your ivory tower barking orders. And that's, really what I've had success in my day-to-day law firm. Of course, in our affiliated company, Fortress Asset Protection, our creativity there is rewarded with clients, because those types of structures that we think about and get creative with is exactly why we have been blessed with all the business we have in that separate company that we have. So at the end of the day, is it really that much to ask for from your professional service providers? Just listen to us. Listen to me when I ask you these questions as a client, and please take into account my concerns. And on the other side, do you have a professional service provider that's just shooting you, very linear answers to your problems? A yes/no question, a yes/no answer is the easiest thing to do. Like, what about a maybe? What about this? Why can't we do it this way? What about these 5 other options? Here's the thing. As lawyers, we are taught to not solicit business. This is ingrained in us in law school, probably better than any other ethical provision. And many in the public may think that this doesn't exist, but it does. It restricts us in many forms of advertising. Where it's really ingrained in us is, and I've seen this throughout my 23 years of practice, is that you'll come to me with an A solution or an A question, and I give you a solution. And I don't necessarily bring up to you the 5 other issues that I see around it, because that's asking for more business and trying to be pushy and, the snake oil salesman and all of that lovely stuff. But here's the thing, folks. Why we have been successful, why we have the clients that we do, is that we come back to you with those solutions. We come back to you with those questions. Hey, I don't care if you do it today. I don't care if you ever do it. But as you are asking me these 5 things, here are the 15 other things that come to mind that maybe you're not thinking about yet. I have to think. And from what I've seen in my practice, that is a value add every day of the week and twice on Sunday. And we will do that and continue to do that every day for our clients. And it's our pleasure.